My name's Jerry Negrato, and I had an acute Achilles heel injury about 9 years ago, and pretty much couldn't run anymore. Anytime I went and did any kind of exercise, treadmill, power walking, really sore for a couple of days. So it's affected my whole life when it comes to exercise. I've had needling done for a couple years, and it just didn't really work. And that's why I came to see Dr. Reeves, try something different. Yeah, Dr. Reeves used a new technology, the Shockwave Therapy, and the reason I came to him was I was researching that, and I love the new technology. It's non-invasive. It was really good therapy for me, and have seen a difference already. Started to do some power walking. He's given me great exercises that no other doctor gave me in the past, so he really knows what he's doing. I'm excited about my future in exercise and kind of easing back into it again. Yeah, the Shockwave Therapy, I definitely recommend. One, it's non-invasive, it's pain-free, just tickles a little bit, and I believe in technology. He uses the device very well. He's very well educated. And actually my sister's son, my nephew, has used it in the past and had great success as well. I definitely would recommend Cool Springs Foot Care. Dr. Reeves is awesome. I don't mean to be trite when I say that, but the guy does not rush you, and that is really cool to go to a doctor and not feel like you're rushed during your visit. He's super knowledgeable. I love the technology that he uses here. And he's a nice guy, and it's a great office. The girl who checks you in is awesome too.